All right, so we just need to talk about discrete relations and functions. You've been looking at continuous relations and functions, but discrete relations and functions are there as well. Now that's a continuous function there. You can see a whole line, an unbroken line. But some things are discrete relations and functions. Just points that aren't joined. So the number 1 there, the number 2 there, the number 3 there, but there's nothing in between those. That's what we mean by a discrete relation or a discrete function. So here's an example of a discrete relation here. 4 points, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 3, 5. Now the domain is all of the possible x values. Now there's only 4 possible x values here. Now keep an eye on my notation here, 3, 4, 7, 3, and the range y, it's all the y values, 2, 5, 9, 5. Now the domain, we don't have to say the number 3 twice, we don't have to say the number 5 twice in the range. So really there's only 3 numbers in the domain and 3 numbers in the range. Now the second question is it a function? Now remember, functions have to pass the vertical line test. Now this equation here doesn't pass the vertical line test because we have a point 3,2 and we have a point 3,5. So that's where 3,2 would be, that's where 3,5 would be, and a vertical line would pass through them both. So this is not a function because 3,2 and 3,5 have the same x value. Now you'll notice 4, 5, and 3, 5, they have the same y value, but that's not going to affect whether this is a relation or a function or not. It's only the x values that you need to check. Check the x values. That's not a function because there's 2 x values that are exactly the same. All right, that's discrete relations and functions, how to find the domain, how to find the range, and how to do the vertical line test.